Hey guys, I know that we haven't talked about this yet in grammar, but to complete your theme revisions, I wanted to show you how to fix your run-ons. Every single student in my class had at least one. Maybe you had 27, but let's look at how to fix them. All right, first of all, a run-on sentence means that you've got too much information with not enough punctuation. We're going to fix that. Here is an example of a sentence. The dog barked, the cat ran. Doesn't work, right? There's something wrong. Yes, there are two different ideas. We have the dog barked and we have the cat ran. We know there are two different ideas because the dog is a subject. What does the dog do? He barks. Who's that about? It's about the cat. That's your subject. What does the cat do? The cat ran. This is your verb. We have two separate ideas. We must have something in the middle. So here are the things that you can put in between your sentences that will fix a run-on. One, comma and, or comma but, or comma so, comma conjunction is what we're looking at. On your paper, I said you need to have one of those, like this is a unit, and comma and works together. If you put and by itself, it's not strong enough. If you put the comma by itself, it's not strong enough. This is where 90% of our mistakes have been made because in most cases, you guys put this conjunction, you put the and, you put the but, you put the or, but you have to have a comma with it. So if you look on your paper, if there is a circle before an and it says run on, add the comma and it's going to fix your problem. Here's the second option. That is a semicolon. When you're typing, it goes underneath your little pinky finger. This semicolon is equal to your comma and. You could put this without the and. So if you got an and, put the comma. If you have neither, if it is blank, you can put a semicolon and it's going to fix your run-on. This is the final one that is fancier, but over the course of the semester, maybe you'll learn how to use it. And that is semicolon, big word, comma. I mean, it's something like however or whenever. Semicolon, big word, comma. They work as a unit. This and that, they are all equal and they will fix your run-on sentences. If you have questions, send me an email.